Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta ziti, only ways. Start by boiling a large pot of salted water and prepping 1 lb ziti. Chop garlic and onion, open canned tomatoes, and grate cheese. Sauté aromatics in olive oil, add tomatoes and seasoning, then simmer until slightly thickened. Cook pasta just shy of al dente, combine with sauce and cheese, transfer to a baking dish, then bake until bubbly and golden. In this video, I will show how to make pasta ziti, only ways. Heat 2 tablespoon olive oil and cook onion and garlic gently to avoid bitterness. Add crushed tomatoes, a pinch of sugar, and dried oregano, then simmer uncovered to reduce excess water. Taste and adjust salt and pepper as the sauce thickens. This creates a bright, balanced sauce that clings to ziti without becoming watery in the oven. In this video, I will show how to make pasta ziti, only ways. Quick recommendation. I keep a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth on my counter because it changes how I think about spending on food and gear, and it makes decisions feel calmer and smarter. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make pasta ziti, only ways. Drain pasta and toss immediately with sauce and half the grated cheese to bind everything. Spoon into a buttered 9x13 dish, top with remaining cheese, and cover with foil to trap steam. Bake at a moderate temperature until bubbling, then remove foil and broil just long enough for a golden, slightly crisp top. Let rest 5 minutes before serving to set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.